This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put data in a QR code. QR codes are incredibly versatile two-dimensional barcodes, capable of storing a wide array of information. They can hold anything from simple website links and plain text to complex contact details. A standard QR code boasts an impressive capacity, able to store up to 4,296 alphanumeric characters, making them powerful tools for data sharing. You can embed many types of data into a QR code. Popular choices include website URLs, plain text messages, email addresses, and even Wi-Fi network credentials, simplifying connectivity. To create these, numerous online QR code generators are readily available, often for free. Some advanced platforms offer features like custom colors, logos, and even performance tracking, enhancing their utility for various applications. Creating your own QR code is a straightforward process. First, select a reputable online QR code generator. Next, choose the specific data type you intend to encode, such as a URL or text. Carefully input your information into the designated field, ensuring accuracy. Finally, generate your QR code and download the image, typically in formats like PNG or SVG, ready for use. For optimal performance, always follow best practices. Ensure your QR code is printed at a minimum size, ideally at least 1 inch by 1 inch, for easy scanning. Crucially, maintain a clear, quiet zone, which is an empty border of at least 4 modules wide, around the code. Always test your generated QR code with several different scanning applications and devices to confirm its readability across platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.